You guys seem a little bummed out. It's because Tampa lost last night? I get it. You know, I remember the very first time we played in Tampa on Family Values. And then the second time we played down here, you guys had an all-out war with us with these little fucking footballs. Do you remember that? Anybody? Anyway, I remember I made a joke. I said you guys hadn't had a good quarterback since Steve Young. Looks like I'm eating the shit out of my words now, aren't I? So how's everyone doing? You guys okay? Well, the last few shows I've been trying to sing, you know, outside the box, doing some cover tunes and shit. And everybody seems to request the same one. So, what do you guys think? You got anything new for me tonight? Every time there's one guy who's like, Freebird! Every time. I love it. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot. Really? What kind of bird are you talking about? Like pigeons? Fucking ducks. All right, let's try another one. Let's see. Never made it as a wise man. Couldn't cut it as a poor man stealing. And this is how you remind me of what. It's not like you to say sorry. I'm always waiting on a different story. All right, all right. I don't want to hear anybody saying they don't like NICKELBACK. That's some bullshit. I've noticed this the last couple shows when I do that. As long as the lights are out, all the guys are like, this is how you remember. And then the moment the lights come on, they're like, all right, I don't like NICKELBACK. Sad. Is it too late now to say sorry? So, every time I do the Bieber thing, the air leaves the room. They're like, crash and burn. NICKELBACK? Love it. Bieber? Fuck you. I fucking love you, Tampa. Damn, it's good to be here. So I'm gonna mix two songs together from our new album, and I want you all to go home, research, come back and tell me what they were, okay? How's that for sales? I don't think that I'm crazy. Yeah, but how would I know when the voices remind me that it's all just for show? Well, I thought I had answers, but the questions all changed. It's so hard to feel anything these days, 'cause I've only known pain. See, I'm no angel, I'm no savior, and I've never been a saint. Yeah, I know I'm not the devil, 'cause I still can feel the pain. I walked through fire and through brimstone, and there were no pearly gates. But I'll be sure to ask about it on my final judgment.